So far we've made our math. We are fossil hunting. We learned about dinosaur skeletons and rocks, and make our little Jurassic Park.
They are learning about the different fossils, and they're learning about the different dinosaurs, the herbivores, carnivores, different sizes, all of that. But that's what we're mainly learning right now, is them building their own Jurassic Park, their own fossils, their own eggs. So it allows them to immerse truly in that era, in those different periods of time, and to truly build something themselves.
You'll learn about dinosaurs here. It's very fun, and why you should come.